Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Fortnite is a super fun game to play, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, open up a web browser and head to any search engine. If you didn't know, Fortnite is actually made and run by Epic Games, so what you need to do is search for Epic Games. We need to download the Epic Games launcher in order to install Fortnite. Once the Epic Games Store page opens, go to the top right corner and click on Download. The launcher will now start downloading. While that's happening, I recommend creating an Epic Games account, as this will also be your Fortnite account. To do this, head to the top right and click on Sign In. If you don't already have an account, you can create one on this page by scrolling down and clicking on Create Account. I already have an account, so I'll skip that step. After you've created your Epic account, open up File Explorer on your PC and go to your Downloads folder. You should see the Epic installer there. Double-click on it to start the installation process. Then click on Install. Once that's done, Epic Games should open automatically, and you can then sign in using your account details. After signing in, go to the left-hand side and click on Store. At the top, I click on the search bar and type in Fortnite. When it appears, click on it, scroll down, and then click on Get on the right-hand side. It will say loading your order, but since Fortnite is free, you can simply click on Place Order in the bottom right. Make sure you agree to the terms when prompted. Once that's done, you'll see a pop-up. Click on View in Library. Scroll down, and you should see Fortnite listed there. Click on it. Choose where you want the game to be installed, and select whether you want auto updates enabled and a desktop shortcut created. After that, click on Install. Make sure you read and agree to the terms, then click on Accept. The game will now start downloading and installing. You can check the progress in the bottom left by clicking on Downloads. Keep in mind that Fortnite is around 80 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download and installation are finished, everything will complete automatically. You can then go to your library on the left, click on Fortnite, and start playing. It's super straightforward, and that's it. So that's basically how you can download Fortnite on PC and laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.